Hello and good day, dear customers. Welcome to our HAWO Academy. My name is Dirk Finkenrath, and on today's tutorial I would like to present to you our impulse sealing tongs plus accessories hawoplast ISZ. In our installation example, we will be connecting the transformer, also known as wing, to a suitable power supply, here 230 volts. In the following, we will be connecting the sealing tongs to the transformer and secure the connection. We switch on and choose a suitable sealing time, for our example here setting 4. The sealing tongs are now ready to use. Application is quite simple and intuitive. Just fill the thermoplastic pouch, place it between the heating bars, close the tongs, keep them closed until the cycle is finished and a little longer, then reopen and perfect sealing result. As optional accessory to our HAWO impulse sealing tongs, you see here the optional table clamp. It allows even more simple application by foot actuation. Thank you for watching, and just a final tip. Do you actually know our innovative NanoPack family, now available in customized color schemes? For more information, please use the link below.